I got to take one photo, and then we got slammed for having cameras on the forecourt of the service station.
Come on, Nana, let's go.
That's him, Willie Kandana. Good morning and welcome, guys. Joey Van Veen here again with another video. Just waiting for Tate on my drive here. Got the Sylvia behind me. It's unregistered, so I can't take it for a drive. Otherwise, I'd definitely be giving you guys more Sylvia content. But yeah, I'm pretty much waiting for my mate Tate. We're gonna go pick up a car trailer. He's got a R33 four-door Skyline with an it's got a RB25 Neo Turbo in it that he's put in himself, and just needs a tune now pretty much. So he's going to be taking it to Diversion Garage down in Capalaba, and yeah, today we're just going to be getting the trailer for that. So I thought we'd video the day. So let's get into it. Here we go. Oh, here he is. Hey mate. Hey buddy. Let's do it. Hey mate. Don't worry mate.
No, it's not there.
They know all about you. I've told them all about you.
What do you reckon? Right there?
I reckon that's perfect, mate.
Yeah, dog.
The real struggles of a YouTuber is trying to mount your cameras, isn't it, Tate?
Eddie?
No, well, yesterday we put a video up saying no Stangs, and now all we see is Stangs, and this one's a convertible Stang.
So you don't want one? Mustangs.
What?
Not interested. There it is, dog.
We don't want no Stangs.
No. Never. Oh look, get this.
What do we got? What do we got?
Liberty Mod with a GC8 front end by the looks of it.
Anyway.
What happened?
So, what I wanted to document was the fact that we were at a service station with a DSLR and is that an Olympus?
An Olympus Tough TG70, my little vlogging camera.
And we got slammed, so I'll put the photo up on the screen. I got to take one photo, and then we got slammed for having cameras on the forecourt of the service station. By some,
I was like, no cameras on the fueling floor, thanks. And I was just like, okay.
Some Doris, some old Betty was just like, no cameras. Can't believe it. There was no signs either. Anyway, what do we got? On gate.
Oh, look at semi-slicks on the back, Mike.
Once we get some worthy Skyline content on gate, you are up. Chop chop.
This is where I say I'm dreaming. Right, man, Stangs.
Stang. Today, and like every other day, is how many Mustangs will we see on the daily commute? Too many. Chop chop. At least we'll be able to beat a Stang.
I guarantee we're going to see another 3 Stangs by the time we get to Ashfield. Actually, no. Double it.
Give him a 2.
Nah, it's not the guy, man.
Oh, that's not him. Fucking hell. We thought we were coming across famous people. Wow, we're like 2 little schoolgirls.
Oh my god, Luke, thank you. No, just kidding. Sorry, truck.
Sorry, trucker. Kessel's Road is the worst road in Brisbane for traffic. And yeah, I used to do this road every day for work. It's terrible.
So but it is 9 o'clock and we're sitting still.
Yeah. So I worked at Super Cheap Auto down the road.
Oh, show us your welly.
Who, this guy?
Yeah, show us your welly. Oh, nice Golf. Nice fitment too. Doesn't look bad at all. Mate, there's no Stangs.
Yeah, no Stangs, but we got Super Cheap Auto up here on the left. Who also own 99 bikes, because they pretty much own the world. Alright, so just loading up the trailer, the R33, and yeah. I think Tate got a pretty good gig here. He helped his mate out extend the trailer, and now he's gets to use it whenever he wants, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, on the travels come across this split screen Kombi, which is awesome. Really cool car. So yes, split screen. He's saying that he's going to do the 21 window as you can see on the top, had to recut those. Plenty of bulk through the car, but nonetheless really hard to get hold of. He was saying the owner actually came across it with a car on the roof and forklift through the windows, and they were just moving it around. And yeah, wow, awesome car. Wish I had one. Apparently they when refurbished at like 120 grand, so oh yeah, I'll get a couple of photos too.
If I could do anything to make you mine, I would try.
There's literally a soup cheap on every corner, taking over the world.
Oh, get a look at that.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah, that's nice.
They're everywhere.
That's really nice. Come on, Nana, let's go.
I reckon if either of us make it where we're making lots of money, we got to hire the other one as the cameraman.
I am the cameraman.
I did a story on one of these, Mort.
What's that, a Jaguar?
Well, I said one day I'd have a Jag and my little Doris would be in the passenger seat of my Jag.
Yeah, I saw that. Where there's me mum dog.
Where?
Right there.
What's up, Mort?
Yeah, mum.
Yeah, quick, throw something at the cyclist.
Oh, there she is, dog, the Camry gang.
Yeah, fuck Camry gang, we got Camry gang. But now, got to get him into that side access. But as you can see, neighbours locked us in. But we good?
We good.
Got to get a front shot, the intercooler shot. Beautiful. It's going to be interesting to see what the audio is like with the wind noise.
That'd be right.
Yours will be good, will it?
I hope so.
Mine will be terrible. So, I don't really know what I'm looking at though, so I can see a, is it a return flow front mount intercooler on the front here? And I don't know anything about Skylines. All I know is that we've got an R33 4-door sedan.
Series 2?
Series 2. We've got an RB25 DET turbo motor in there, running a manual 5-speed.
Yeah. Oi, mate, your mum's here.
Yes. Camry life. No camber gang, just Camry gang.
Mate, that should be our new thing every time we do a vlog together.
It is, it's Camry gang. No more camber gang. No tilty boys.
Mate, but this will also hopefully get extended LCA, so we will have the tilty boys.
The tilty boys, yeah. We don't really discriminate.
We only hate on Camrys.
I think it's Australian culture just to take the piss out of everything. Hello. See ya. Come here. Alright guys, we're going to finish it up here. Tate's off to work and I'm off to edit a video, so...
Mate, I think you meant off to jail, remember?
Well, oh, alright, well, yeah. Well, he's off to jail, off to Boggo Road.
Yep.
Yeah, lock him up. He's been, I don't know, doing illegal mods to Skylines. And yeah, anyway, that's enough for today. And I think tomorrow, Tate will be off to Diversion Garage, so we might get a video, we might not, but he definitely will. So Sedan Vlogs, you got to check out his channel because he's got all the R33 JDM goodness on there at Diversion Garage, and it's going to be a good video. So youtube.com/Sedan Vlogs, don't forget it. And yeah, all right. See you, Tate.
See you guys.
See you later. Peace. I've never done that before.
You're gonna do it now.
Yeah, but I never did it because I get fingerprints. Fuck you, fingerprints. Anyway, peace.